Hello friends, I got over here the phonics book that's called The Dog Tag. Let's see what happens over here. Well, the family went for a yard sale with all the toys and everything they got on sale. Keeper got a cat from the yard sale. Let's see. Look at all the things they're selling. All the dresses and coats and caps and boots and ties. Wow. Well, beef got a top to put on. And Chip over here got a what? Chip got a cap. Chip got a cap for him. Can you see the dog? I can see a dog's tail. Can you see it? Can you see it? There it is. Look at that. Wow, how many things? Let's see what else. Mom got a pot. Mom got a pot from the sale, and Dad got a mop. Dad got a mop from the sale. Look, all the tools and everything they got in here. And where's the doggy? There it is. Good job. Well, Floppy, the dog, got for himself a mat to lay on. Lucky him. And he got another thing over here. Look at that. What is that? You put it around doggy's neck. It's called a tag. Floppy got a tag. Tag. Lucky Floppy got two things, the map and the tag. Floppy sat on the mat and he got a pat on the head like this. Well, that was awesome. What would you buy from this sale? Let's see all these things you got in here. What would you buy? Wow, rough choice.